one thing was I also needed a cluster, and somebody already did the hard work of unbolting this for some reason. So I'm just gonna grab this seat and be out of here. Bye bye. Well, this is exciting. No wheelbarrows, so I'm carrying it. And we're out. Got a seat. Let's see.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So you see the seat that I got at the junkyard. It's going back in. So this is a 98 Honda Civic hatch. So this should just be a direct bolt in. Just gotta lock these up. Wait. Bolt this up and get back to you. Just like that. OEM EK seat back in the EK. One step closer to selling this thing. So now it's time to pull this SI cluster, put the original cluster back in. Let's go. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you simply just slide it out. I'm gonna unplug these and plug the new cluster in, and then I'll have this SI cluster for sale soon. Bop. It's as simple as these 2 plugs. I'm gonna show you. Standard cluster. See, I got the wiring pigtails. I'm gonna remove these for the other cluster. Plug these in and I'll show you. Okay, we're done. That was easy enough. Make sure all the bolt holes line up. And I'm gonna screw these in and we're done. You see what was in the car. Now we have DX cluster installed, all nice and clean. Everything went smoothly. I'm gonna start it up just to see if everything works, and we're done here. Overall successful junkyard day. Got the new cluster. Got the new seat.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Getting the full treatment today, boy. Guess what we're doing today? Guess what this is? I think you know what this is. So in my previous episode, you followed my journey back home. And on the way back, I started to smell something. And I noticed there was some green. Green. So, unfortunately, this original radiator seems to be seeping. Some seepage happening. No SMX radiators for sale in the United States market. I opted for a first generation CRV radiator because it's the closest you can get. I'm going to start by draining the coolant. I know that it's not a direct bolt on, but I'm gonna get it as close as I can, so stay tuned. Now I'm going to unplug the fan connectors, and then I'm gonna remove the 2 fans with these 10 millimeters on the top and the bottom. Then I'll drain the coolant. This is a drain plug on the radiator. Now, while that's draining, I'm going to take out the 2 main coolant hoses from the radiator and then take out the 2 transmission coolers, which I'm going to clamp off so I don't lose extra fluid. I have pulled this hose off, I've clamped the transmission line, and I'm moving on to the other transmission line, coolant line, and then I'm going to remove the upper radiator hose, and then hopefully the radiator should just slide right out. I would not wish this upon my worst enemy. See here, I've got 1 fan out. Is it ready? Is it ready? It's ready. Come on, Honda. You better than that. It's out. SMX old radiator. CRV first generation new radiator. Unfortunately, this radiator was just leaking everywhere along this whole thing here. You can even see it. This obviously has the reservoir pointing that way. This has it sideways. This looks to be the same, almost the same position. I'm gonna have to work with these post mounts. I have attached these nipples for the transmission cooler lines. See the old crusty crust. Another key difference here, drain plug is on that and it's on the far right over here. I have to make this CRV one work tonight, so stay tuned. I'll show you now. I'm going to clean up this whole mess and mount the fans. Not everything lines up perfectly, but like I said, this is my only option in North America. So I'm gonna drop the radiator in, do some magic with the fans, and then I'll fill it up. Hopefully I can drop the new one in without too many issues. Attach the 2 transmission cooler lines, one there, one over there. Now I'm gonna put the fans in and see how that goes. Level. I'm gonna start it and let them burp on those bubbles. I still have to get custom radiator stays on the left and right because these obviously are in a different position now. I bled the coolant, I tested the heat, I tested the AC, I tested the fans, everything looks good. Hood closed must mean it's time to drive. Stay cool. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you, Pull Apart. Thank you, Honda. This EK hatch shell will be for sale soon, so be on the lookout for that. If you're interested, you can message me. I gotta go. See you later.